Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix Battlenet not launching or running properly. So to get started, the first thing you guys can do is simply look for the Battlenet icon on your desktop. Once you find it, you're going to right click your mouse, you're going to click on properties, you're going to go to the compatibility tab. Then from compatibility, you're going to make sure two things are checked. One, run this program as an administrator, and two, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Now once this is checked, you can hit apply and then you can hit OK, and you can go back to the Battle.net icon and you're going to right click again and you're going to simply hit run as administrator, and then you're going to click yes. Now you're going to basically open up the game every time you want to play, so you're going to open up the app whenever you want to use it, but by doing this, so by clicking run as administrator. And then so once you log in, everything should be working fine and you should have no problem whatsoever. You can always delete Battlenet and then download it with the latest update, and then you can always restart your PC too. So these are all the ways that you could help fix Battlenet not launching. And so that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.